Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Albania. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed guys. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Albania e-visa website. So here you have the only it tells this e-visa is and what are the things they offer with this. So electronic visa is selected. Okay. And here you have to select the desired type of visa. So short stay visa, tourism comes under that. You see visa for tourism. So I'll go here and I'll click on apply. It's asking you to log into your account. So if you come here for the first time, click on register so that your account can be created. First name, last name, nationality, login information, and click on register. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you guys. So after your registration is done, you can come to this page and here you can fill the application. So 3 steps: apply, payment, and result. Okay. And if it is granted, you're all good. So I click on apply. Okay. Application process. Okay. Fine. Visa type to browse available visa. Oh, sorry. Apply. Okay, so we have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tabs. So country or place of residence. Okay, so I'll select. I'm just putting sample. You do it as per your own case. Family name Smith. First given name John. Date of birth. It has to match with your passport, guys. Don't do anything that creates trouble for you. Okay, personal ID, passport number if empty. Okay, I'm just putting sample. Place and country of birth. Consular office. Oh, also based on your location. Current nationality. India does not allow dual nationality. Foreigners national nationality at birth. Gender. Marital status. Father's name, let's say Peter Smith. Mother's name, let's say Anna Smith. Residence permit. Do it as per your own case. Passport type. I select what are the options I have? National passport. Passport number. Authority of issue. You'll find this in your passport. Date of issue, whenever it was. Date of expiry. Check your passport. If you reside in a country other than your country of origin, have you permission to return to that country? Not applicable. Personal number, validity. Okay, validity. So whatever, it's 10 years or whatever it is. But don't put 10 years. I mean remaining validity they are asking. Visa information. Albania. Individual visa, yes. Visa type C. Purpose of travel. I suggest tourism. I select tourism. Travel alone, yes. Traveling with visa application code. Alone, so that's not applicable. These are going in October. Date of departure, let's say going in November. Oh, I'm sorry. Number of entries. So it's like 27, 28 days. Means of transport. I'll say flight. Border first in transit alone. Whatever it is, do it as per your own case. Uh, da- 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 da. Yeah, I select this one. Current occupation. Don't just randomly select, do it as per your case. Entry permit in the final country, yes. Authority of nation. Yeah, just there. Yeah. Other visas issued during past 3 years and their period of validity. I just said and not applicable. Stay in Albania, I select no. Next. Family members. So we have assumed like not married, so spouse, children. I leave everything blank. Personal date of Albanian resident you depend on. Only my family members of okay. So in this case, none of these is applicable. I do this. Host information. Who is your host? So I select institution, whatever it is. For hotel birthday gender, I on institutions these cannot be. Telephone or fax. Email address will be there for sure. Full address. Personal number of host. Who is paying for your cost? And provide full details how you're gonna pay. Means of support during cash, traveler check, oh, credit card, yeah. Insurance valid until, and I go for next. Address and contact. Your for home address, contact number, email address, and then next upload documents. Of course, I'm not gonna upload documents, but this is how it works, guys. So I hope this is gonna help you out. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.